Tapos padagdag ng padagdag 5 sets. So ano yan, 10 repetition in each set. Let's go. Nag-start ako sa 100 pounds, then dagdag ng 40 pounds. 40 pounds na yan guys. So karon na yan, 140 pounds. Then dagdag na naman tayo guys, another weight, another set. Let's go. So ano yun guys, 35, so 70 na yan.
Papa, don't go gym, Papa.
170 pounds. What?
Papa, don't go gym. This me mosquitoes in gym.
Ay, may mga mosquitoes daw sa gym. Oh no!
Papa, I cannot go gym.
We're not going to the gym. Oh, so next workout guys is incline dumbbell press guys. So ano yan, 70 pounds yan.
Gym, Papa.
Let's go. Five sets and 10 repetition in each set. Let's go. Next workout guys is military press guys, para ma-hit natin yung front shoulder as well as ang yung pinakatuktok ng chest. So kayo na bahala sa weights. 5 sets yan, 8 to 10 repetition. 5 sets. So next is pec deck or machine press. 5 sets by 10 repetition. Kayo na bahala sa weights guys, kaya nyo yan, malaki na kayo. Let's go. Oh Zain, what will you say to Papa?
Papa, this me mosquitoes in gym, yeah, Papa.
Oh no, there's so many mosquitoes at the gym. So pagkatapos natin mag chest, tricep naman tayo. Tricep push down. So ginamit ko yung yung bar, para siyang curl bar. So yan, 2 sets 10 repetition. 2 sets yan siya, curl bar. Kayo na bala sa weights.